In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you just want to make sure that website is selected. Now, under website, you want to click on pages. And on the pages section, you want to make sure that on the main navigation is where we are going to add a drop-down. Now on our menu, as you can see in here, we only have shop, contact, and login and cart. And in order for you to add a drop-down, you want to head over to the main navigation, and on the right-hand side, click on the plus sign. Add a page will pop up, and from here, you want to head over to the left-hand side and scroll down at the very bottom, and in here you will find drop-down. Now, once you click on drop-down, a new drop-down will pop up within your main navigation, and if you click on a random section, it will automatically reflect within our menu. Now, in order for you to rename this drop-down, you want to head over to the new drop-down and double-click, and once you do that, it will highlight the title. From here, you can change this into the title in which you want, and I choose services. Now, once you click on enter, it will reload the preview again, and it will change to the exact title in which you have written. In order for you to add a submenu within this dropdown, you want to head over to a page. And from here, you want to hold and drag within the dropdown. And once you do that, if you hover your mouse on the dropdown, you will see that we have a submenu down below. You can even add a new page within the dropdown. And if you head over to the dropdown, at the bottom, click on Add Page. And from here, you can choose from one of the templates. And if you want to add a blank page, just simply head over to the left corner, click on Add Blank, and click on Page. Once you do that, if you hover your mouse again on services, it will add another page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.